Nvidia actually came up today and hit all-time highs of about $140.86 before falling about, back down to nearly even. But so far, Nvidia is moving exactly as we expected. You guys know a couple of weeks ago that we were covering Nvidia, talking about how we were making lower highs in price action, which was not a strong sign to the upside, but instead a sign of compression. However, we were making higher lows indicated by this trend line, which was a sign that the trend was still bullish. Now, when price normally moves in this type of bullish compression, we will squeeze within these resistance and support levels before usually breaking out to the upside. Now, if we go through and turn on our market bias indicator, which is one of my favorite indicators to use, you're going to see that after price pulled back on the 2nd of October, we bounced off of that market bias. And on the very next candle, and then the very next candle, we flipped from dark red on the BX trender to bright green on the BX trender. This is a sign of bullish accumulation. This is a sign that we want to be in the trade. So this is when we started to become bullish on Nvidia. And so far, we've been continuing to be bullish on Nvidia as long as we hold over this market bias. Now, the thing I want you to understand is that our target long-term is about 150 by December, but I do think there's a chance that we could reject short-term within this level and maybe even continue to pull back to about 127 or 124 before making another rally back up to all-time highs. Now, if we zoom out to the weekly chart, which is one of my favorite time frames to use, you're going to see that the market bias right now is beginning to expand. Last time it expanded like this, price broke out 48% within 35 days. The time before that, price broke out 90% within 70 days. So this market bias is looking very, very strong. And I think there's a very good chance that we can see Nvidia continue to move up to 150, 160, and 170 within the next 3 to 6 months. If you want to learn more about all of the indicators that you see in this video, as well as the proprietary settings and the step-by-step trading system that I've built, you can take all of our courses completely free with the link in the description.